In today's video, we're going to be looking at scatter plots. All right. In our statistics unit, we are comparing two different variables. And when we're comparing them, sometimes we can predict certain things that come out of a certain data set. And in these cases, we're going to be looking at scatter plots, which are basically is a graph with a bunch of dots scattered, coordinates scattered around, data points scattered throughout. And we're going to try and use and predict and expect data points from the information we are given. And sometimes they form a trend, and sometimes they don't. Sometimes they're all scattered and they don't form a linear trend. But these ones, when we draw our line of best fit, are going to, for the most part, form a trend. All right. So as you see, all these yellow dots are going down as you go right. So my line of best fit, I'm going to try and draw it through as close as I can through the bulk of the data. So I'm going to have my y-intercept here and then click somewhere here that goes through the bulk of the data. So it gets really close to everything. All right. But it's not, sometimes it goes through points, sometimes it doesn't. This one, it's not going through points. And everyone's going to have a different scatter. I'm sorry, line of best fit. All right. But as long as we're kind of in the same ballpark here. All right. So let's submit our answer. Boom. All right. New problem. Let's see. Theirs was not far off of mine. All right. So pretty darn close. All right, right here, we have another negative trend. Not as steep as the last one. This one has a not as steep slope. So I'm going to go right around here, submit it. Let's see if that works. Yep. Nope. I was a little bit more off on mine than theirs. Okay, but close enough, right? Again, we're not going to be exact. These are predictions. We're trying to expect data points. This is a lot more scattered. I don't know. I'm going to say somewhere in the middle here, because we have, again, we want that line to be like in the middle of all the bulk of the points. Oh man, see, I was off there. Okay, so so I see what they did here. So they kind of made a line that goes all the way down. So hey, you learn from your mistakes. Okay, again, everybody's line of best fit is different. I know for sure that we do start here and you go down. All right, but their line is a little bit steeper in mine. So it's kind of like trial and error with these things. Okay, let's go here. I want a positive slope. Well, let me do this. I got to redeem myself for the last one. Here we go. Bam. All right, that looks good enough. We have some up here, some down here, some up here, some down there. Let's see. All right, that one's good. All right. Over here we go. Positive slope. I'm going to start down here and going up and right. Boom. Again, some up here, some down here. Should be good. Bam. All right. So I get pretty close. All right. But it's okay if you make a mistake once in a while. All right. These are fairly quick problems to do. You're just kind of just drawing an estimated line. And that's, again, going to be your predicted values when we dig into actual data sets where you're comparing two different variables. All right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. And always remember, whether you're solving for X or Y, always give math a try.